Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 23 to 29, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment nyo na rin kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Cancer, what's up with you this week? Energies ganap. What is up for Cancer? Guide. You are going to be divinely guided, Cancer. Maaring may decision making kayong gagawin this week na nangangailangan ng opinion or advice ng isang tao na malapit sa'yo. I'm sensing a father figure in your life na maaring you may need to ask, kailangan mong humingi ng advice or advice, suggestion sa isang tao. And I also see this as your spirit guide. So you are divinely guided, Cancer. So don't worry. You have creativity. So very creative yung energy ninyo this week. Maaring may mga creative projects kayo ngayon na tinatapos nyo. I think matatapos nyo naman yan this week. Kung meron kayong kailangang isubmit na na report or a project, it can be social media, sa social media or internet, content creation. And seer, so an owl. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may mga pag-aaralan, i-research. So, parang yun yung maaring magiging guide ninyo. You want someone to guide you. So, pwedeng may ikukonsulta ka. You will consult with someone about a situation na gusto mong gawin, subukan, pasukin, aralin. So, that's also a good step para at least may idea ka, no? Alam mo kung ano yung ins and outs ng mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. You have the Star, the Strength card. You have the Four of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Two of Cups. So I see you healing from a relationship or a situation na yung iba sa inyo pinaglaban nyo to, no? Pinaglaban nyo na itong person na to, you didn't give up sa person na to. And I feel na meron tong naging magandang resulta sa connection ninyo. Pwedeng binigyan mo ng chance yung person, or meron kayong naayos na problema sa relationship ninyo. Pwede rin to sa business partnership, no? But I see this mostly on romantic relationship. I also see you na mas magiging focus sa iyong mga pangarap, mas magiging active ka in creating something. Gusto mo ng resulta, and makikita mo yung resulta na yan. So, when it comes to taking a rest, no? So, kumbaga, importante rin naman na makapagpahinga ka. Kasi minsan, may mga pagkakataon na nag-o-obsess ka sa isang bagay na matapos mo agad. But, may mga panahon na kailangan mong maghintay. Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan madaliin. Just, yung tamang pacing lang, no? Hindi yung minamadali. I also see you having a vacation. Parang maraming options sa'yo for vacation ngayong week na to. You may be, parang may matutuloy naman dyan. Someone with your loved one, sa isang romantic partner or very close person sa buhay mo. Can be your best friend. True love, friendship. Okay, so some of you, pwedeng merong past nako, can be pwedeng meron ditong babalik. When I say babalik sa buhay mo na matagal mo na hindi nakikita, nakakausap. Can be your friend. Oo. Pwedeng may reunion with your friends. Or classmates, colleagues, mga dati mong katrabaho, classmate mo ng college. Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. I think you're going to have fun with the people na nakasama mo before. Ito yung mga tao na kahit hindi mo nakakausap ng madalas, pero pag nagkita kayo, parang kahapon lang kayo nagkita or nagkausap, no? So, ganung klaseng closeness. I see you traveling together with your friends or loved ones na matagal nyo nang hindi nakikita. Pwede nyo ring mapag-usapan rito, trabaho or business, no, na pwede nyong subukan. Pwede yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng business partnership with your romantic partner. Pag mga ganyan, medyo 50-50 ako sa ganyan eh. Lalo na kung hindi pa kayo mag-asawa, no? So, syempre, nasa usapan nyo yung dalawa. Okay? So, may cross. The cross is about may challenge. You may experience some challenges this week dahil sa mga bagay na hindi ka sigurado. Oo. Kung hindi ka sigurado sa ipupurso mo, mas stress ka dahil parang hindi ka makapili, no? May clouds. Yeah, decision making. Iwasan na magdesisyon ng hindi mo pinag-iisipan. Eighth house. This is about investments, shared finances. So, pag-isipan mo bago ka maglabas ng pera sa investment, no? Kahit malaki, maliit na investment yan, at least alam mo yung mga consequences niyan. And even sa mga yung may bumabalik na energy ng past, tapos baka alam niyo na mauwi sa passionate, intimate situation. So, pag-isipan mo muna bago mo dalhin yung sarili mo sa ganong sitwasyon kasi nasa huli ang pagsisisi. 'Di ba? So, kalmahan mo lang. What else? Faith. Malakas ang tiwala mo sa career, sa trabaho mo ngayon. And I think, yun nga, marami ka pang dinodiscover na talents, na skill set mo. Yung iba sa inyo nasa technology, yung inyong talents, yung skills ninyo. I also see you, parang nasa internet, ganyan, car industry, or electronics. Ayan, yung gusto nyong i-pursue, yung iba sa inyo. And yung iba naman, you are discovering other options na kaya mong magtrabaho habang nagta-travel ka. Ganon. So, maaring yun yung goal mo rin, na earning money while you travel. So, pwedeng travel vlogging, or digital nomad. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much and see you again.